Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if Bluetooth drivers are missing in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So I'm currently on a Windows 11 system, and as you can see that in the taskbar, you can see that in the notification area, I don't have the Bluetooth icon present at the moment. And if I check with the device manager by doing a right click on the start button and selecting device manager, in the device manager, you can see that I do not have any entry for Bluetooth devices or drivers. Even if I click on view and then click show hidden items, still the Bluetooth drivers or the Bluetooth devices are not visible. And if you are also facing the same problem, let's see how you can fix it. Here is our first solution. Right click on the start button and select Run. In Run window, you need to type services.msc and click OK or press the Enter key. When the services window appears, scroll down and locate the service named Bluetooth Support Service. Now you need to just double click on this service, name or entry, and make sure that the service startup type is set to automatic. Also click on the start button to initiate the service. Then locate the another service named Bluetooth User Support Service. For this service, you also need to make sure that the service is running and the startup type is automatic. In case if setting the startup type says the parameter is incorrect, you can just ignore it and make sure that the service is running. And finally, the last service you need to configure is Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. Also for this service, make sure that the startup type is automatic and the service is running. After configuring these services, check the status of the problem and it should be now resolved. In case if the issue still persists, you can try the solution number 2. In solution number 2, I suggest to run the Bluetooth troubleshooters. Simply right click on the start button and select settings. When the settings app opens, go to system, then troubleshoot, then click other troubleshooters. In the list of other troubleshooters, you should be able to locate Bluetooth entry. Click on the run button next to it and it should launch the troubleshooter. But in our case, it failed to launch the troubleshooter. So we did the manual launch of Bluetooth troubleshooter. And for that, you have to simply right click on the start button and select run. In run window, paste this command from the video description. And this command is basically the command to run the offline Bluetooth troubleshooter via command line option. Just click OK or press the Enter key. And here you can see that the Bluetooth troubleshooter is here. We can just follow the on-screen instructions by clicking on next, and then it should automatically detect the problem and resolve it. And that should help you to restore the Bluetooth drivers on your device. Even if the troubleshooter is not helpful, you can also use the Get Help app present in the Windows 11 operating system. This is a built-in app. You can just use the search to locate it, and once you open the Get Help app, you can just prompt it that you are facing the issues with Bluetooth, and it should help you with the diagnostics and also help you to resolve this problem with the use of AI. And lastly, we have solution number 3. In this case, I suggest you to manually install the Bluetooth driver for your device or the system model from your device manufacturer's website. So take this as an example. I am showing you the example of ZenBook Flip S UX371, which is the device I am using right now. So you have to simply go to the device manufacturer's website and simply locate your system model first, and then select the operating system if it is required, And once you select the operating system, you must have a list of different kind of drivers. In that list, you have to locate the driver for Bluetooth. And once you locate the Bluetooth driver, you should simply download and install it. And once the Bluetooth driver has been installed successfully, as on my system, you can see that the Bluetooth icon is now restored to the taskbar, and I can also click on the Bluetooth icon to perform variety of operations related to Bluetooth. Additionally, if I check with the device manager, you can see that I now have the entry for Bluetooth devices, since the Bluetooth drivers are now properly installed, and in this way the problem is fixed. In case if you are still facing the issue, do let me know your comments. I'll be happy to help you. I would also help you to locate the correct Bluetooth driver for your device model. So just let me know your comments, and that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.